Hi everyone, it's almost Mother's Day.
Every year we take a moment to say,
Thanks, Mom. We appreciate you.
But this year, she seriously deserves a whole week.
With distance learning, no play dates, no sports or school activities.
it all adds up to no time for herself.
To show your love the week of May 3rd.
Call your local florist.
We help you celebrate Mom's Week in style.
Sending gift cards to local spas, restaurants, and boutiques.
Blend in perfectly with a bouquet of flowers.
We can also add to her growing plant collection.
Or start decorating her patio pots and planters.
We can help make her
Smile all week long.
Remember, you may not be able to count on your kids' art projects this year.
You can count on us, your local florist.
Local.
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 local
Local.
local florist.